Hello, can you hear me? So, I've installed Manjaro. It is the best OS so far I've installed. So, I'm just going to change it to dark settings. I'm using a simple screen recorder. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, sorry, I'm using Voco Screen NG. So, if you see, we've a lot of options to select from. That is, to record the screen with audio. So this is the best OS. It's a Pac-Man based OS, and it also has it's using GNOME. It also has multiple desktops, and I've installed it side by side with Windows. So I've used BTRFS. So I found this the best OS in the pack. So basically, you can download this OS from this website, get Manjaro Linux, and you can simply download by clicking on this button. And it has a lot of other apps. So I'll give you a walkthrough of how to install an app. Uh, yeah, if you go to categories, let's say you want to uninstall Lollipop, and you may want to install something else. Uh, let's say, okay, let's keep Lollipop. We'll just install some additional application, Audacity. Yeah, install Audacity, and all we need to do is just apply. It will ask for a password. Yeah, and what my experience is, if you don't want to choose any option, you could just click on choose. Yeah, and it will take the default. So this package install is very stable. Uh, you could also go to updates and update the system. So if you say I've installed a few games, yeah, so it's installed successfully. So I could also install a few games. Mm, yeah, I love this game Bomber. Apply. Yeah, so you just click on choose and apply without choosing anything. So that ways there is no conflict. Otherwise, I've experienced some conflict issues. So you could also go to the other desktop. Let's say you could open a notepad and you could open a third desktop back to this one. So you can in the switch the workspaces. So this is my channel. So kindly subscribe to the channel Saranki 9. I'll keep posting more videos. Okay, thanks everyone. I'm stopping this video.